Hello, greetings. This is Gilles Morcillon. I wanted to come and say hello, to wish you a wonderful day. I hope you're having a great day. It is a beautiful estival day today, the day of summer, and so let us enjoy it. There is this great equinox that is coming, though we want to prepare for it, for there will be great blessing that will be bestowed upon all that are receptive to these cosmic energies. For what we need to the highest wisdom for us today is the healer. It is about being healed, it is about being whole, it is about finding this completion within ourselves. What we need to understand is responsibility. What are we responsible for? What are we not responsible for? It is one of the great concepts of Stoicism to be able to define what is within our power and what is not within our power. It's anything that's not within our power or responsibility, we should let it be, let it go. But we should be responsible for our thoughts, our words, and our action. What we need to do is the effort. There is a certain effort that needs to be produced, and so we need to find the right effort that will lead us, take us all the way to where we're seeking to go. For now, it is the general message is about limitation. It's about accepting the limitation, but not creating new limitation. It is important to accept the limitation, understand what the limitations are, find a way so that we can free ourselves from those limitations. But sometimes they have to be accepted as part of what is going on, and then they will we do not want to add new limitation to the process. That's what's very important about this idea of limitation. From the archangels, the archangel says, the archangel Ariel, it says, you are not obliged to overcome all challenges by yourself. Help is at hand's reach. Negative thoughts do not make things go in the right way. It's already the same card that came out in the reading yesterday. So it is important to really stay focused on what is positive, to stop worrying a little bit, to trust, to breathe, to develop this connection. Once we do that, we stop this because negative thoughts do not assist us. So we want to be very discerning and not give emotional power to our negative thoughts. Once we do that, we find the Ace of Raphael. Positive experience on the emotional plane. You will be fulfilled by your romantic relationship. Let yourself be guided by your intuition. So it is important to stop worrying. It is essential because worries is the more we are able to breathe whenever there is the thoughts that can be worrisome or fear or doubt. So just breathe and you with your intention to connect to your light, to your soul, to your spirit, to your creator, whichever way it works, but to connect to those higher parts of yourself or your angels, your guides. They will be of assistance. They will come and reassure you, to show you that those worries are not really justified. For if we have, the more trust we have, the more faith we have, the more we can clear our path before us as well. For it is a subtle process. For what the card of the day is learning and good deeds. We have learned a lot of things, and so there is a time teaches so much, and so we work through time to anchor those lessons, and so we can be free from the lesson and move to the next level. So it's a continuing process, but it's quite it's the more we can enjoy our life, the more we can receive as well. The painting behind me, I hope this message was interesting, or there was a guidance for you in there, a personal message. This painting is from 2005. It's part of the interior series. It's called the Red Table. Red signifying the material, symbol of the matter, and blue is the spirit, and the mind is between spirit and matter. But here there is, on this red table, the materials table, there is this blue cup, and from this blue cup, this blue liquid light that comes and envelops the paintings. It's kind of an interesting, I'm not sure, it's called the Red Table. It was called the Holy Grail also, but I have another painting that was also an interesting painting that was called that. So I'm not really sure about the titles. Titles are very important. For in Salvador Dali, without the titles, they would be completely they wouldn't be as much fun to discover. So I haven't really had to concern myself with title, but when I make a catalog, I'm going to refine all those titles. I'm going to sing a song, a French song, that somebody was dreaming to go into. He lives in the cold winter, and he's dreaming to live in the sunny beach in a tropical place. But in many sense, we want to. it is not changing environment that will solve our problem. It is better to try to resolve, to find yourself whole wherever we are now, so that wherever we are sent, we'll bring this wholeness with us, rather to hope that something will happen as a result of a trip or something. Anyway, it's a nice song again. It's a French song, goes like this. Vers les docks où le poids et l'ennui me courbent le dos. Ils arrivent le ventre alourdi de fruits les bateaux. Ils viennent du bout du monde apportant avec eux des idées vagabondes aux reflets de ciel bleu, de mirages. Traînant un parfum poivré de pays inconnus, d'éternels étés où l'on vit presque nu. Sur les plages, moi qui n'ai connu toute ma vie que le ciel du Nord. J'aimerais débarbouiller ce gris environ de bord. Emmenez-moi au bout de la terre, emmenez-moi au pays des merveilles. Il semble que la misère serait moins pénible au soleil. Dans les bars à la tombée du jour avec les marins. Quand on parle de filles et d'amour, un verre à la main. Je perds la notion de choses et sous ma pensée m'enlève et me dépose un merveilleux été sur la grève, où je vois tant dans les bras l'amour coquille comme un fou court au devant de moi et je me prends au cou de mon rêve. Quand les bars ferment et que les marins rejoignent le bord, moi je rêve encore jusqu'au matin debout sur le port. Emmenez-moi au bout de la terre, emmenez-moi au pays des merveilles. Il me semble que la misère serait moins pénible au soleil. Un beau jour sur un rafio craquant de la coque au pont. Pour partir, je travaillerai dans la soute à charbon. Prenant la route qui mène à mes rêves d'enfant sur des îles lointaines où rien n'est important que de vivre. Où les filles à l'anguisse vous ravissent le cœur en vous tressant, m'a-t-on dit, des colliers de fleurs qui enivrent. Je fuirai laissant là mon passé sans aucun remords. Sans bagage et le cœur libéré en chantant très fort. Emmenez-moi au bout de la terre, emmenez-moi au pays des merveilles. Il semble que la misère serait moins pénible au soleil. Emmenez-moi au bout de la terre, emmenez-moi au pays des merveilles. Il semble que ma lumière brillerait beaucoup plus au soleil. Voilà, je vous remercie. In a sense, he's somebody that finds himself very, very miserable, and so he believes that by opening himself to this island dream life, everything will be solved. But and in many sense, travelings are wonderful. It opens our mind and our hearts, and so it is a wonderful thing to do. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I wish you a wonderful day. I'll talk to you later. Thank you. Namaste.